Hey, everyone. It's Emily here, and today we're diving into a health supplement that's been gaining a lot of attention. Quietum Plus. If you're looking for a natural solution to support your ear health and improve your overall well-being, this might be the product for you. But before you make a purchase, there are several important things you need to know. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about where to buy Quietum Plus. It's crucial to purchase it only from the official website. There are a lot of counterfeit products out there, especially on third-party sites, which can be ineffective or even harmful. By buying from the official source, you ensure you're getting the genuine product with all its benefits. Plus, the official website often has special promotions and a refund policy for your peace of mind. Now, let's break down the benefits of Quietum Plus. This supplement is designed to support your ear health through a unique blend of natural ingredients. Here are some key benefits. Supports hearing health. The primary benefit of Quietum Plus is its ability to support and enhance hearing health, helping you enjoy a better quality of life. Reduces ringing in the ears. Many users report a noticeable reduction in tinnitus, the ringing or buzzing sound that can be quite bothersome. Boosts brain health. The formula includes ingredients that promote brain function, which is essential for overall cognitive health. Natural ingredients. It contains a mix of vitamins and herbal extracts that are all natural, making it a safe option for daily use. Enhances relaxation. Quietum Plus can help reduce stress and promote relaxation, contributing to overall well-being. Using Quietum Plus is straightforward. Simply take the recommended dosage as indicated on the label, usually 2 capsules a day with a meal. It's that easy. Just incorporate it into your daily routine and you're good to go. Remember, consistency is key to seeing the best results. Now, let's talk about effectiveness. Many users have shared their success stories, stating that they've experienced significant improvements in their hearing and a reduction in tinnitus symptoms after using Quietum Plus consistently. While individual results may vary, the positive feedback from users suggests that this supplement can make a real difference in ear health. So, if you're ready to support your ear health and enhance your overall well-being, I highly recommend giving Quietum Plus a try. Just make sure to purchase it from the official website. Link is in the description below. And remember, there's a money-back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose by trying it out. Don't wait. Take control of your ear health today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more health tips and product reviews. See you next time.